welcome back to this little vlogmas video. I don't know what day it is, I've lost track. So today I'm planning to decorate the rest of the house. Obviously I've got the Christmas tree up already, but I want to kind of start getting a little bit of decorations up everywhere else. I've got like some lights and stuff to put up, and I want to make a few little like wintry scenes and little bits and pieces here and there. So I've got a little elf preparation table behind me here, and I'm just going to kind of carry on making a few little decorations and just starting to put some decorations up. I have gone a little bit pom-pom mad over the last few days. I didn't realise quite how relaxing they were to make, and I found them really chilled out to make. So yeah, I've got a whole little box of pom-poms being sorted out as well, and I don't actually know if I'm going to use them on the reefs that I was originally planning to use them on. They're a little bit too big for them, unless I put them on the big gold frame reef, which I could do that if I make enough of them. I'm going to be a busy little elf today. I am planning to get a little bit of artwork done this afternoon, but that just kind of depends on how I get on. I might have a bit of a day off and then start properly with my artwork again tomorrow, and just kind of have this as a bit of a chilled out, creative, crafty, decorating day. But we'll see how we get on. Let's get on with being a little elf. Before I do anything, I do actually need to quickly go and water some of my little house plants. They're looking a little bit dry, and the soil's all dry, and they just need a good old watering. So I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to be an elf. In this cupboard over here, I think there should be some tiny little penguins. Yeah, it's my tiny little penguins. I need to... my little baby nephew, bless him, or one of them, took off their noses last year when they were playing with them, so I need to mend their noses. Oh, I could actually put their pom-poms on their hats. Oh, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to make some more noses for them, and then make a little penguin-y scene, I think. Out you come, little penguins. Good afternoon. It's now actually the next day now. I decided to kind of merge these two vlogs together, mainly because I didn't quite manage to get my house decoration finished yesterday, so I'm gonna carry on doing it today in this vlog. I do also want to get on with a little bit of work later on. I've got my little daily doodles to paint, which I didn't do yesterday. But yeah, I'm just going to finish off decorating the house and then get on with some work later on. So somewhere in my little pile of boxes of decorations, I've got a whole little pile of little cardboard boxy star things that I made a couple of years ago. Originally it was going to be for a big advent calendar, but I never really got around to actually finishing them off. So what I'm going to do instead with them is attach them to a piece of string and then hang them from my little banisters.